For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
US President Donald Trump has for the first time ruled out a second phase trade deal with China. Donald Trump yet again attacked China over the handling of coronavirus pandemic. He said that the relationship between US and China has been severely damaged to Beijing's handling of the pandemic. In a press briefing, he said he isn't even considering a phase 2 trade deal with China. The relationship with China has been severely damaged. I don't think about it now. Earlier this year, Trump had signed a mega phase 1 deal with China after negotiations. Relationship between Beijing and Washington have spiraled downward since the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic. Trump has time and again slammed and questioned Beijing over the handling of the COVID-19 pandemic. The US and China have sparred with each other on various issues, including China imposing a new national security law in Hong Kong. US President yet again attacked China, saying the communist country could have contained the outbreak, but they chose not to. Relationship with China has been severely damaged. They could have stopped the plague. They could have stopped it, but they didn't stop it. They stopped it from going into the remaining portions of China from Wuhan province. They could have stopped the plague. They didn't. This is not the first time Donald Trump has attacked China over the outbreak of the pandemic and its way of handling it. While speaking at one of the rallies after the US Independence Day last week, he said that China must be held fully responsible for the outbreak. He said China is responsible for the secrecy, deception and cover-up that allowed the spread of the infection. China's secrecy, deception and cover-up allowed it to spread all over the world. 189 countries and China must be held fully accountable. We have the manufacturing record for ventilators. We have the most and the finest testing anywhere in the world. We are producing gowns, masks and surgical equipment in our country. It was almost exclusively made in foreign lands, in particular China, where ironically this virus and others came from. Last month in his rally in Tulsa, Oklahoma, Trump hit out at China for the outbreak of the virus. Apart from calling coronavirus as Chinese virus, he called it Kung Flu and said he can give 19 other names to the coronavirus. The novel coronavirus, which first originated in Wuhan in December last year, has claimed over 5.5 lakh lives globally. Over 11 million people have been infected by the virus globally. According to Johns Hopkins University, United States is the worst affected country with over 1.3 lakh deaths.